Good morning. Good morning, grade 7th. How are you? So, today we will do chapter number 5. Quel temps fait-il? How is the weather? Okay. So, see, it is written il y a 4 saisons dans une année. Okay, there is a 4 seasons. Okay. So, there are 4 seasons in a year. And the first one is l'été. L'été is a summer. Okay, so en été il fait chaud, or weather is hot. Le soleil brille, the sun shine. Le ciel est clair, the sky is clear. And les jeunes portent des vêtements en coton. The people wear clothes. Porton is to wear. Okay, vêtements is clothes. En cotton clothes. And on mange des fruits. We eat fruits. Com is like pastille. Okay, so watermelon. La mangue is mango, and the la melon. Okay, so this is the first l'été. Okay, then second is ivre. Okay, so ivre is a winter. En ivre, in winter, il fait froid, it's cold. Il neige, it's snowing. Okay, neige is snow. And les jeunes portent des vêtements en laine. The people wear clothes, woolen clothes. Okay, laine, L-A-I-N, it means woolen clothes. On mange des fruits, we eat fruits. Com, like raisin, grapes, and la pomme, apple. Okay, so this is your wait. Okay, then see this one. Next one is autumn season. Okay, en autumn il pleut, it's raining. Okay, il fait du vent. Okay, it's windy. And les feuilles tombent, and then the leaves fall. And les jeunes portent un imperméable, it's raincoat. Okay, and on prend un parapluie is umbrella. Le ciel est gris, the sky is gray. Okay, then last is a printemps. Okay, spring season. Then autumn. En printemps il fait bon, weather is beautiful, nice. Le ciel est clair et bleu, the sky is clear and bleu. Les oiseaux chantent, the birds singing. And le vent est doux, the very nice fragrance air. Okay, we can say the wind is gentle. Okay, so les enfants jouent dans le jardin, the children play in the garden and say amusé, it's funny. Okay, it's enjoying. So this is your second. Then next one is, this is fair verb. Okay, you have to learn this one, fair verb, right? And these are meaning of this verb is to do. Okay, like she is doing work. So elle fait son travail, she is doing work. Okay, so this is meaning is same all, only I'm telling these. This is travail is work. Natation is to swim. Okay, il fait de la natation. Okay, doing swimming. Elle fait la cuisine, doing preparing food. Cuisine, kitchen, food, cuisine. And elle fait une promenade, doing walk. And elle fait une sieste. Sieste is to take rest or take a nap. Okay, afternoon nap, this is sieste. Okay, and ils font un picnic. Picnic is a picnic. Okay, going to the picnic, enjoying. Okay, so this is the fair verb, and these are the some words like weather conditions are given. Il fait jour, it's day. Weather is good. Il fait chaud, weather is hot. Il fait froid, it's cold. And il fait nuit, it's night. Okay, so this is the, and these are again expressions with avoir verb. This is avoir verb, we have done so many times. So il je chaud, its weather is hot. Je froid, it's cold. Je faim, faim is hungry. Okay, je sois, it's thirsty. Je enjoy, like I'm 11-year-old. Je peur, to feel fear. Okay, and je sommeille, to feel sleepy. Je tort, like wrong, and je raison, right. Okay, so this is your, and this is the verbs. This is achete verb. Okay, do the practice of this verb, and this is your commencer, to start. Okay, so you have to do the practice. These are the pronouns, and this is the conjugation of the verb. Same, these are the pronouns, and these are the conjugation of the verbs. Okay, so please do the practice, and once see these vocab also, meaning you will get from vocab. Okay, and this is your fair verb. Okay, so please learn this one, then you can do all these. Okay, this verb and avoir verb. Okay, complete your understand this video. Okay, thank you, take care, and complete your work.